Today we're gonna do a very simple Valentine's look. Starting off with the Fenty Pro Matte Foundation, just one pump will do. Spread it all over your face and then blend it with a kabuki brush. Just stipple in the product and everything will look seamless. Hide those under eye bags with your favorite concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and this stuff is amazing. I'm just gonna put some under my eyes and then on the center of my forehead, down to the nose and on the chin. Busting out the kabuki brush again and just blend everything all in place. Just putting on some powder from CoverGirl. This is their Mineral Loose Blend Powder. And then I'm just going to tap off the excess before buffing the powder in place all over my face. And that rhymes, I'm sorry. Taking the shade Cookie Dough from the Extra Spice palette, and then that's what I'm going to use all over the crease to create a transition shade. This is actually a very nice transition shade. I'm feeling lazy with brows, so I'm just gonna take this brow mascara from the Kris bilena collaboration, and this is in the shade Beyond Brown, I think. This is a very nice color match for my new hair color. It's a warm brown shade. Taking another brow pencil, just because I don't have any spoolie lying around, and using that to comb up my brows. Also taking a deeper orange shade, and then with the same fluffy brush, I'm just gonna put it all over the plunging into an even more orangey brown shade and putting that close to the lash line so that there is a gradient from light to dark. I'm being lazy again, taking off the excess of that brush on my hand and then just making sure everything is blended, taking the Everyday shade from the Extra Spice palette and then putting it on the center of my lids. Taking this deep brown shade and then using that as a faux eyeliner. I don't really use eyeliner to line my eyes because I don't like the harsh effect, but this one just gives a soft, glam, subtle detail to the look. Bronzer time, this shade from the bilena Sunset Face Trio, and then sculpting out my cheekbones first and then putting some warmth on the forehead, connecting it to the cheekbones and under my jaw. Taking the blush shade from the same face palette and then using that to warm up the cheeks with this warm peachy shade. I haven't used this highlighter for a long time, so I'm busting it out. It's from Vice Cosmetics and it's in the shade Shining, and it is indeed shining, shimmering, splendid. It's a very nice shade for medium deep skin tones. Spritzing my face with the Lux Organic Face Mist before putting on mascara so that it won't smudge on me. Then I'm curling my lashes before putting on the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. This one is so good and it's waterproof. I actually chose this mascara in case I'm gonna cry in the movies because we're going out to see a movie in this time. Busting out my Zulevu lip liner from Vice Cosmetics because I plan to wear a very striking red shade for the lips, and I'm just lining my lips. This is a very nice red, perfect for everyday use, and this is from Avon Perfectly Matte. Actually, I like the formula of this lipstick. It's very creamy and easy to glide on the lips. I took out my French braids just to have that curly effect. I want to do it quick as possible, so a braid. And this is the final look, guys, a very classy yet sultry Valentine's makeup look. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone who celebrates it, and spread love all around. Bye!